So hi all, good evening. Welcome to the post market session. Okay, so looking on to today's market. Okay, so let's start from the daily time frame. Okay, so these were some of the levels which we did on yesterday, and like we seen again since November 7th, the market was bouncing back from the level of 25,500, and so till yesterday the rally was up, and today it's a kind of a profit booking. So we had seen the moment till noon, and after that a reversal. So that's what we had seen in the Nifty today. Looking on to the Bank Nifty. Okay, so the Bank Nifty, the levels are already respected, but the flag pattern, okay, the bullish flag pattern, the breakout, and it's forming like kind of a retest which is now happening. And yeah, coming back to Nifty, so today we had seen a kind of a flat market, and from there, okay, so from the flat opening, a kind of bit manipulations had seen just like yesterday, and after that the rally was shorted up, and during our noon live we had marked this level of 26,000 until 26,000 as a major level. From there we had seen a clear candlesticks pattern of a reversal, and from that a drastic fall was there the day till the opening range near to 25,800 on sorry 880. Looking onto the Bank Nifty again, so during the noon, what I was expecting is like if we are getting this breakout, the market was supposed to move upside, but parallelly on Nifty we are seeing the 26,000 level which acted as a resistance, so that again dragged the Bank Nifty also downside, and the levels we plotted yesterday was respecting today morning. See the number of times the levels are being respected. Okay, so this is what happened today. So looking on to the different sectors, the metal sector. Okay, so especially looking on to Nifty metal index was actually metal sector was bullish, followed by the real estate. Okay, Nifty Realty and Nifty Metal was actually kind of bullish for the day, and IT sector. Okay, so if you watch the IT sector, so past some of the days, the IT sector was on a continuous bull run, but what happened today is a kind of a short profit booking, which again drags the market to the sideways and then drops down below. And there is one more reason for it, like the FIs, the foreign institutions, had also started selling off on a slighter side, so that also made the market towards a sluggish side. Looking on to the major stocks. Okay, so onto the major stocks, the first one that I need to mention is the ICICI Bank. The ICICI Bank really moved drastically today, and you can see the high of near to 2.3% and a close of near to 1.98% close was there. And ICICI Bank, if you watch the daily time frame, if you remember yesterday we had drawn this trend line and we are expecting a breakout, and today it happened. Okay, so on the daily time frame also ICICI Bank is on a bull run, and so this can also reflect on the Nifty. Looking on to HDFC Bank is still showing a bullish move after the correction that made yesterday. But still both the weighted stocks on the bank sectors are on the bullish side. Coming back to Reliance, like we had seen last day, the trend line has broken upside. Now today, even though it uh, open on a gap up, it was mostly on a sideways, but on the daily time frame it's a kind of correction, but we are still bullish on the market above 1500. So that's what happened on all the three major weighted stocks, Reliance, HDFC and ICICI. Looking on to the Nifty again. Looking back to the Nifty, so let me just delete the levels we plotted during the live analysis. Onto the 15-minute time frame, so the levels are still valid. Okay, all the levels which we marked last day, 25 813, 25 845, all these levels are still valid. So if the market is breaking below the level of 25 800, okay, so below 25 800 only I will be bearish in the market. Okay, on Nifty below 25 800, there's a possible movement of near to 100 points down near to 25 700, where the gap will be filling, and further movement can be we cannot anticipate right now, but below opening below 25,800 will be a bearish side move, and there are equal chance like taking a bounce back near to 25,800. Onto the upper side, the previous swing high near, that means again near to 26,100. The range is still active. Okay, so 26,000. 26,100 is again a crucial level. Okay, so these are the views for the upcoming days. Looking on to Bank Nifty also, the level, the market are still within our levels, and it didn't break on any level. So breaking above. So on the daily time frame, if you watch, the Bank Nifty is now at the all time high, near to the all time high, and there are high chance that it can again further creates the new all-time highs, the fresh all-time highs again. So above 58,600 we can see a clear bullish rally on Bank Nifty, whereas on to the bottom side 58 to 50 58,100. So these are the main levels. Got it? So these are the analysis on the Bank Nifty. Looking on to top gainers, we have Ashok Leyland on one side, Ashok Leyland Limited almost moved near to 5.7% on the daily time frame. Also, you can see a clear bullish rally on Ashok Leyland. That means near to 150 rupees, and the trend line is still respecting. So on the daily time frame, tomorrow I am actually seeing a kind of small correction on Ashok Leyland because of this trend line. And looking on to Asian Paints was also bullish near to 3.96, and it went near to 4% on the daily time frame. Also, from the past, for the past 6 to 7 days, we can see near to 15% of movement on Asian Paints, and it's really looking good. Looking on to the losses. Okay, so the Mahindra and Mahindra was on a losing side for the day. You can see almost 1.6% move, and eternal was also eternal. We already viewed eternal last day. Okay, the market is excitedly on a correction. The reversal structures are excitedly forming on eternal limited. The last higher lows are also breaken down below, so the trend is now being continuing. So near to 277 only, I'm expecting a potential reversal on eternal limited. So that's the that all are the major uses for the day. So the data pattern stock had also moved bullish. Data patterns for the day itself, it almost went to 7.56% upside, 7.56%, and the trend line breakout was also there. Yeah, so that's the major picks for the day. Coming back to the Nifty again. Coming back to the Nifty, so what we are expecting. So most probably there will be a kind of flat opening tomorrow, so we need to wait for the overnight news. So the further details will be shared from our pre-market live tomorrow morning. Okay, so that's the analysis for the day, and yeah, thank you guys. We'll see you.